we go into a job, we want to make sure that we're providing our client a quality product in the end. We've had a few challenges along the way. Some of those challenges were, just given the start date of the job being in December, a cold month of the year, and we worked all through the winter months. The winter work had allowed us to construct through some of the more difficult wetlands under frozen conditions, which in turn allowed for less impacts to the environment and to those wetlands.
Well, the frost driving is really important just because you don't have as big of an impact on the wetland as a whole. If you were to dig it when it was under natural conditions in the summer, that soil would be loose and unconsolidated, and you'd have a really hard time trying to keep that on your right-of-way, and it would have a bigger impact and footprint, which helps facilitate our restoration.
We've worked a lot of night shifts as well in this job, which is an additional factor that plays into our safety performance that I think is really important to note, that through these difficult conditions we're able to perform at a very high level.
One of the things that I really appreciated working on this project was the level of safety measures that we were taking. With the combination of the workplace and COVID, there has been a really good structure of saying safety first, then production.
One of the biggest challenges was dewater. We actually started using water filters, sand filters, carbon filters, bag filters of all kinds. We've had a lot of water on this job basically everywhere we went, and get permission to build structures and find all these areas and actually have these areas approved by the state.
Tribal engagement was a big commitment. Precision did a significant amount of subcontracting with tribal member-owned businesses, and those businesses employed local tribal members.
The unions worked very well with us throughout the job, and in addition to that, we've been able to involve a lot of the tribal members as well through that union process. So we've got kind of a win-win as far as the union goes, and also tribal engagement, as well as us as an employer and the local communities. It's amazing when you look back how quickly the job goes, right? When you think about the challenges that we were faced with back at the start of the job in December, we were trying to come up with how best to organize the work, which areas of the right-of-way we're going to construct first, and how to efficiently attack the work, to now at the end of the job where we're finishing up with cleanup and restoration, and the grass is growing and things look as good or better than when we first got here last fall. So when you look at the amount of effort and the meetings, the phone calls and the emails, and the amount of hours that everybody put into coordinating this effort, there's a lot to be proud of. It takes a massive amount of people to pull all that together, and I'm really proud of the way our company responded to the challenges that it presented, and we're able to deliver a quality, safe project in the end for our client.